Warp Speed seeks to deliver 300 million doses of a COVID-19 vaccine by next January. Multiple companies signed deals with the U.S. government in anticipation of rolling out a safe and effective way to stop the coronavirus. One woman who signed up for a vaccine trial in Austin reached out to KXAN. She tells us she just learned a lab wants to give her the first dose sooner, and that got the attention of a local congressman. Abby Strite will test a new coronavirus vaccine.
They told me that it would be, my first appointment would be on September 16th, was what I was scheduled for, and that I would get one vaccine that day.
But this month, something changed.
I got a call from the clinic. All of the initial vaccines had to be moved up to before September 11th.
That got her thinking.
It made me worry that we're rushing the trials in order to rush results for political purposes. And that's why I contacted y'all.
So she also got the attention of local Democratic Congressman Lloyd Doggett. He's the chair of the House Health Subcommittee.
I want to be sure we go only as fast as the scientists tell us is appropriate.
We cannot abbreviate the information that we need to collect.
We took their concerns to Benchmark Research, a group running vaccine trials in Austin. They explained even if a lab moved up a vaccination, no matter what, they can't rush a whole trial.
We still have to go through the individual steps for patient safety and for quality of the data so that they have something they can work from.
Congressman Doggett told KXAN he wanted to know more about Abby's complaint for a simple reason.
We have a stake in what's going on here, but the stake has to be in assuring that this is a safe and effective vaccine.
Doggett told us he's tried to get the details on the contracts signed by the U.S. government and drug makers, but so far no luck on that. Benchmark Research also explained one of the reasons companies are able to start phase 3 trials is because earlier phases have shown the vaccines seem very safe. But Dr. Chu reminds us the vaccine is most effective in anyone and everyone who gets vaccinated. Otherwise, the virus still spreads, but a recent poll found the public is skeptical. 78% of Americans fear the process is being driven more by politics than by science. The Food and Drug Administration says it was possible it could authorize emergency use of a COVID-19 vaccine before phase 3 trials are over. The Financial Times interviewed Commissioner Dr. Stephen Hahn. He said if a vaccine developer applies for approval before the end of phase 3, the FDA could authorize it if the benefit outweighs the risk. He also